Well, another night, another day, another dollar. It makes sense, not dollars. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I got. It looks like I'm sleeping. It looks like I'm talking in my sleep. I don't like talking to the camera. Open your eyes, John. Open your eyes. As you can see, I'm using kind of Stone Age technology here. But the whole point is to just basically free my mind. Just to basically free my mind. I hate talking to a little dot. I like looking at myself. Oh well. Them's the breaks. I feel like I have a small head. I just got big shoulders. That's all. Push your shoulders up. I do have big shoulders. I'm 6'4", pretty much. I'm still growing. Which is not funny because I'm 28. But I guess it is kind of funny. Anyways, this is my first video. I'm sleeping while I'm doing it. I'm sleepwalking, sleep talking. I'm sleeping right now. Or am I?